Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you Canva Image Generator AI tutorial. So first, you just have to open your Canva, go to the left side, scroll down, and look for apps. Okay, so you see this nine dots right here, tap this one, and then you have to look for Magic Media. You can scroll down or go to the search bar and look for Magic Media. Now, this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to tap this one. So you have to scroll down here and look for this description box where you can generate image and graphics, but video is not yet possible. So you have to add some keyword or prompts here. And then once done, what you're going to do next is to click this generate. So as you can see, I'm looking for girl, like walking down the street or something like that. You can also go and tap styles and look for whatever you like. For example, you like dreamy or you like anime. Okay. So after that, you just have to wait as Magic Media is generating the image for you. Now, once you can drag that picture right here or even graphics. Okay. But if you don't like the result, then you can go to the description box again or to this box or text box and then generate another keyword or prompt. After that, tap generate again and then wait as it is generating a new image for you. Again, drag the picture here. Feel free to adjust. You can also edit if you want. You can edit image, animate, or you can change position. You can go to elements and add more. You could also try these other features here in Canva. So you can go to animate, position, edit image, flip, and so on. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to see more content like this and tutorials like this. See you again in our next video.